You can't touch the water. The towel can't touch the water. Nothing can touch the water. Both hands have to be on the towel. She set up crying while she's laughing her head off.
No, I was really crying though.
You were not. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. So ngayong umaga guys, lalaba po ako. Linis-linis po tayo guys. At ito, labhan ko rin yan. And itong umaga na to is very challenging. Yung asawa ko nagdrama. Nagdrama. Nag-video call kami ng kapatid ko na babae. So ngayon, nag-usap, kumakain kami ng breakfast. Ginanon ko lang yung cellphone. Quick, pinakita ko si Tami. Sabi ko, andito si Mr. kasama ko kumakain. Sus, ang hirap na kapag tumanda na ako luuran ng luod. Sabi na nga, ipakita ko niyo. Ayaw talaga niya guys, yung mga ganon. Kapag mapakita ko siya sa video, sa vlog, dahil ayaw ko nang mag-edit, ganern. Pero, alam nyo, naano siya na, ng luod. Gano'n daw ipakita, sobra pa daw aga. Sabi ko, so ngayon, nag-walkout, nag-breakfast kami, nag-walkout siya. And then, pagkatapos niyan, sinuyo ko na naman, guys. Naiyak tuloy ako sa suyo-suyo ko kasi parang halawi, nanibago ko pa. First time ever nangyari yun. Hindi ko ang ganito na talaga yung tanda na. Nang luod, ano sa Tagalog yung nang luod? Kaluoy sa naano ko sa bana. Ay, sige na, sorry na, uy. Humingi ako talaga ng sorry, guys. So, anyway, so ngayong umaga is mag-ano lang ako. Yung challenge ko kanina ng umaga na naiyak ako na nanghingi ng sorry kasi totoo talaga ng luod. So ngayon, laba lang ako dito. Hi, little boy! Laba lang ako, guys, kasi kailangan ko maglaba. Nagaro tayo naglilinis. Sabi ko maglinis ka, Inday. Kasi yung mga anak ko ang daming buhok. Mamaya aalis po ako and so yan, bibili ako ng Brussels sprout kasi kausap ko yung kapatid ni Tami kagabi, kahapon. So Brussels sprout yung lutuin ko. Broccoli rab sana yung lutuin ko pero Brussels sprout na lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, Brussels sprout na lang yung lutuin ko kasi hindi niya alam kung paano lutuin yung masarap pa. Lutuin ko yun siya katulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo yun. So yun siya. So yun yung gawin ko. And bibili lang ako ng Brussels sprout kasi baka maanuhan tayo. Yung parang mawadaan. Andito si Tami hanggang andito siya hanggang Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving, balik siya trabaho. So, Thanksgiving and then so that means after Thanksgiving sa gabi, drive siya punta sa isang bahay. Kumusta ang luuran kong asawa? Kumusta ang luuran? Hey, luuran.
My name's not Lauren.
Lauren. Kumusta ang luuran?
Tell my name's not Lauren.
I don't think there ever was an Afghanistan war syndrome. Soldiers were getting sick, because soldiers do, but look at this. Someone in the lab was swapping out their diseased blood with healthy samples.
You're reading something. Before tayo aalis, mag-edit, kumain na kami ni Tami ng lunch. Nanonood kami ng mga kahit ano-anong movie doon sa Amazon Prime. Hi, Bog! So, edit lang, trabaho lang ako, guys, kasi po, kailangan kong gawin kasi wala na pala akong mga videos, guys, na edit. Dalawa na lang yung dalawa na lang yung na andun sa YouTube natin. Kailangan kong magtrabaho more. And then, we will see you later. And plano sana ni Mr. na mag-cut ng grass. Sabi ko, bukas na kasi wala ako dito. Gusto kong tulungan siya ba? Kasi nga, at saka guys, masakit yung shoulder ko kanina pa tong umaga. Pabalik-balik na lang ito, guys, every time na, I think sa maling posisyon ng tulog. Shoulder blade ko, masakit. Kanina pa ako na pag ganun, minasage ni Tami, mas lalo akong nasakyan. Hindi talaga marunong. Pero gusto niya akong tulungan. Gusto niya akong i-massage kasi nakikita niya nasaktan ako. Ba't tignan niyo yung asawa ko, guys. Hindi ko na pina-vlog, pero i-vlog natin.
I assure you never had any intention.
Han, I told you not to bother. You don't know which one it should be hung and fold.
Well, and then it's folded that needs to be hanging. It's hanging.
Oh my.
Now it's folded.
Look at it.
And then it's hanging as a rope.
Laundry guy, guys. So now you see.
Everything inside out. Everything.
Why you have problem with inside out, Han?
That's stupid.
Why you have a problem with that? There's something wrong with you.
If you turn it right side to wash it, look, you got a gray sweatshirt with a stain on it because you didn't notice there was a stain on it and you didn't treat it. And now you cooked it.
Yeah, it's been there.
Because you cook it.
It's been there when you give it to me.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You're not even watching your show.
What is?
Huh?
What is?
Is that yours? No, it's mine. It's yours that it's become mine. Let me see. Hala, did I put it in the dryer?
Yeah.
Let me see. That's not supposedly in the dryer. You did it.
No.
Ay, 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 tamimoy.
It's big enough, I don't think it's going to be a problem.
That's yours, you know.
Yeah, well. I'll figure out that you will wear it so she...
So guys, Tommy will teach me the trick. Oh no, he won't tell me how to whatever. So now, okay.
Yes, you do.
Okay, so what?
Very simple.
This towel, can I do this?
Any towel, doesn't matter. Twist it up so it's like a rope. Then I hold the towel on that side and the water on it. You can't shut the water off. You can't touch the water. The towel can't touch the water. Nothing can touch the water. Both hands have to be on the towel all the time.
And how can I get?
And you need to get out from under there.
Get out from under there?
Right.
Like that? No?
Both hands have to be on the towel all the time.
All the time, both
If
hands?
you do that, then you let go of the towel, don't you?
Han, how can I go there? Hold on. The towel shouldn't be wet.
There's only common sense.
Okay, the towel cannot be wet.
No, towel
My hand can be wet.
No, you can't touch the water. Towel can't touch the water. Nothing can touch the water.
You sure?
Yes. That's the rule.
How about my head?
No, nothing can touch the water. Even if your head goes underwater, nothing can help it. Nothing can touch the water.
Nothing can touch the water. How can I
And
get?
both hands have to be on a towel all the time.
How can I get?
It's not, that's ridiculous. Unless you think you can crawl out from under there and somehow unloop yourself.
I cannot. I can't. So okay, you do it.
See how simple? Come on. Right,
Okay.
simple.
Okay.
Okay. Simple. Both hands have touched the towel all the
Yeah.
time. Right? So both hands touch the towel.
No, that's very ridiculous.
Why? Both hands have touched the towel the whole time.
Seriously, honey.
Did my hands ever let go of the towel? Either one?
No, you did.
Either one of my hands ever let go of the towel? No.
That's ridiculous.
Why?
So
I said it's very simple.
So you're gonna do like this, holding all the time like this.
Both hands. No. So you're not. You can't take any hand off the towel. All you do is switching the hand holding this side with the hand holding this side. That's really all you're doing.
Oh, so it's like this. What the?
Yeah, it's very simple. Look at it, common sense.
It's getting ridiculous. That's a ridiculous.
Well, look.
If the people teach him how to do it.
I don't know. We didn't watch the end of it, but I don't think so. It only had a couple seconds left to go, so I'm guessing he never figured it out.
It's a crazy thing, guys. It's a crazy thing. It's a crazy thing.
It's not a crazy thing. It's just a simple trick. And without,
Alana, be careful with that.
making the bottle fall, but it was like every bottle. Because the old guy did it like, and the bottle fell. So then he did it. And he just did this.
Honey, are you
It was
gonna?
an empty bottle, so you just banged on, and the thing just walked off. Simple crap.
Oh my God, you become like crazy. You're gonna break my freaking.
It's just simple crap.
Guys, my husband is crazy.
Not crazy.
This is what happened when she spent so much time on the phone. Ganina pa yan, guys. Naano ako, guys? You guys, this morning, my husband makes me cry. Makes me cry.
Yeah, sure.
It makes
I
me.
didn't believe that one. I'll tell you another story.
You did makes me cry.
Did not. She cried, laughing loud. She sat up crying while she's laughing her head off.
No, I was really crying though.
You were not.
I know I was crying, but I end up laughing because why I cry? I don't know why I cry. Because I feel bad because my husband is.
You don't feel bad.
Han, because you walk away with my food they cook for you. I love him so much, guys. You know, I don't want him upset. And you know, it breaks my heart. And then it also hurt me that he walked away with my food.
Guys, ask her why.
Yeah, just a little show my sister. It's my freaking sister, hon. Alis lang ako, guys. Maghanap tayo ng Brussels sprout. And iwan ko muna si Mister kasi po I'm going to leave him for the first time when he's home. Hey, be careful walking around this house. There's a lot of hazard. Hi guys, I'm going to wear my very strong belt, my powerful belt that I have this since decade. Look, this belt. And my husband is making something his favorite to do. You guess it, guys. It's a rice, but it's not the kind of rice that we eat. It's a different rice. It's a dirty rice. Right, Han? See something?
Spanish rice.
Dirty rice.
Dirty rice is completely different. That's what New Orleans say.
I will see you later, Han.
Yeah, have fun. Don't get in trouble.
Ilagay ko lang po ito sa ano, guys, itong mga na-dumpster dive natin. Dumpster dive talaga. So, punta lang ako sa baba, idalhin ko lang itong Brussels sprout namin. Hi guys! So Han, I got some creamer. One creamer only over here. But, I'm telling you, a lot of shelving, empty. And even your milk, Han, even your milk, it's like few of them, honey, and it's vanilla left. You keep telling me for. Guys, grabe guys, yung mga grocery store ngayon, guys. Maraming shelves na na wala ng laman, ganon. So, nakakatakot kahit the pandemic is been started like 20, the worst one is 2020 last year, but seems like we're back to that thing.
The bigger one inside. This is a lot of burnt stuff on the bottom of the pan.
I don't want to burn. So yun guys, kain tayo. At si Tami guys, habang di ba umalis ako, nakagawa siya dito. Spanish rice. Can I have some of this?
What?
You said you're gonna bring this to...
No, I said take from there if you don't want the burnt stuff.
So anyway guys, so yun lang yung vlog ko for today. Pasensya na talaga guys na walang nagawa masyado. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Nice frame or look like crap?
Nice frame. Bye bye love. Night night.
Hi guys.
Night. Kain lang kami guys ha. Good night.